in New Jersey, western Passaic, and in New York. Orange, freezing rain advisory in effect until midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a freezing rain advisory, which is in effect until midnight tonight. Locations: extreme western Passaic County in New Jersey, and western Orange County in New York. Areas at elevations above 800 feet will most susceptible. Hazard types: freezing rain. Accumulations, up to 1/10 of an inch. Winds, northeast up to 5 miles per hour. Temperatures, around 30. Timing, this evening. Impacts, some light accumulations of freezing rain have been reported. Pockets of freezing rain will continue to impact the region through this evening. The most susceptible areas will be along and west of the line from Montgomery, New York to West Milford, New Jersey. Isolated slick spots on area roads and walkways can be expected. Extra caution should be used if venturing out in these areas this evening. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving.